Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I just wanted to update you guys on my experience with the Pixel 3 since I switched back to it from my 3A, and I've been using it as my daily driver. I've had this phone for well over just about 9 months now, close enough to about 9 months, and while using it, it did take the update to Android 10, so I was able to update that yesterday, so it's no longer in beta. It is a full-fledged Android 10, but I'm sure you guys already knew about that for the countless videos talking about Android 10 and all the features that it's going to have. I will have my video about Android 10 about a week or so. Give me a week to at least experience, Android 10 completely I won't say more than a week. Maybe let's say like 14 days, 2 weeks. We'll go with 2 weeks, and then I'll give you guys my video, my thoughts about Android 10. But yes, this device and my Pixel 1 both got the update to Android 10. Hopefully they build a custom ROM for my Nexus 5X. That'd be pretty awesome to be able to put that one on Android 10 as well. Now, switching back to my Pixel 3, is there a difference that I feel between this and my 3A? And let me tell you guys, performance-wise, no. Even though this has a Snapdragon 845 and the 3A has a Snapdragon, I want to say 670, the fluidity in performance and applications and in news feeds and things like that is pretty much identical. There's not really too much. And I'm going from this from a consumer standpoint and not from a geek standpoint. Geek standpoint, I can probably find all kinds of jank and stuff as I'm scrolling through things. But from a consumer standpoint, you're not really going to experience much of a difference. So if you wanted to opt for the Pixel 3A over the Pixel 3 just because you wanted to save some money, you're not really missing anything other than the water resistance and the wireless charging, which is what I've been happy to have again, as I have several wireless charging pads in my room. Allows me to just put the phone down and charge it, and allows me to charge like my Nexus 5X on my fast charger that I got with the Pixel. So camera performance is pretty much the same, except for the front-facing camera, which I intend to vlog with the Pixel 3. So having that front-facing camera with the dual lenses for wide-angle mode and things like that is really going to be pretty awesome. Now, other than that, battery performance, it's a little bit on the lower side. The 3A pretty much dominates over its big brother, the Pixel 3. When it comes to battery life, I do notice that I could pretty much kill off the performance of my my Pixel 3 a lot faster than I did with my Pixel 3A. So that's one caveat that I'm experiencing right now. But it's not a major thing, as me being who I am. I love tech, I love electronics and stuff like that. Of course, you guys know I have power banks and stuff like that I carry with me on a daily, so I'm not really too worried or struggling to keep the phone powered on. Besides that, audio quality, pretty much the same between both phones. So switching from my 3A back to my Pixel 3 is not a major thing. It's just where the positioning of the speakers are makes it a little bit different. It is front firing on both ends and not front firing on the top and then firing off at the bottom. And of course, the speaker driver is a little bit bigger on the Pixel 3 compared to the 3A that has it on the one side on the bottom. So it does make for a little bit of difference. Now you guys can see my beat up Pixel 1 right there. Poor guy. Microphone went completely dead on that one, so it is being shelved. I'm not going to invest money in fixing it. I'm just going to leave it as is. I can still message from it, but like video recording and stuff like that, I can't do from the Pixel 1. And yeah, I'm not going to drop money to get that repaired. So anyways, this is just like my little thoughts after 9 months with the Pixel 3. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. Drop a like if you enjoyed it. If you just found the video and subscribed, really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. As always, aloha.